Hey guys, this is Samsung Galaxy A72, the awesome 72, and guys, this phone gets its first update. You're watching like the OTA is available here. So guys, we're gonna update this phone to the latest version, and here you're watching the performance of camera has been improved, and the security of the device is improved, and here you're watching like this is for stability and some other things like. And guys, the size of the update is 289 MB, and let's start the downloading. And here you're watching like the downloading is starting, and you're watching like 3 minutes left. So guys, you are watching here like we just have to wait for 1 minute. Here you're watching like the downloading time left is 1 minute. So guys, let's wait for 1 minute and then we will update this device to the latest version. You're watching like this awesome 72. Guys, I'm using this in 256 GB. Guys, you're watching like the update is successfully downloaded, and let me click on install now option, and here you're watching preparing update option is available, and guys, the device will automatically restart. Let me show you something. Like here you're watching, guys, this is A72 and the device is restarting now. So guys, you just have to wait and watch. And here you're watching Samsung Galaxy. So guys, the process will take some time, so guys, you just have to wait and let me wait for some time. So guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video. So guys, after waiting for 6 to 7 minutes, the device will automatically restart. Here you're watching like the device is restarting now. So guys, you just have to wait and watch. And here you're watching like the device will restart and it will optimize the applications also. So let me wait for some time, and here you're watching this is awesome color. And here guys, you watching like this device is optimizing the apps, like the number of apps are 441. So guys, it will take time, you just have to wait and watch, and let me wait for some time. Now finally guys, this process is going to be completed, and here you're watching like the device is restarted, and let me unlock this. Now guys, we will check the options, like what are the new options that will be added after this update. And here you're watching like starting Android, and guys, here you're watching like the loading screen is successfully on. And now guys, let me open the camera app and I will check some options, like the live focus video is not available in this device. So let me check it, and here guys, you're watching like this feature is not added by now. So guys, we just have to wait and we will get live focus mode. And here you're watching like there are some settings, let me show you in video. And here guys, you're watching like you just have 30 fps in full HD, but now you can record 60 fps in full HD. And here guys, you're watching 30 fps and 60 fps option is available, and you can also record 4K with 30 fps. And here guys, there are some more options, like you can see in the settings. So guys, there are options like these are same, like you will not get any change in these options, and in the photo and video mode you will get 60 fps in video mode, and guys in front camera you will also get 60 fps like here you watching. So guys, you will get full HD with 60 fps in both cameras. And here guys, you watching like let me show you again, and here you watching like full HD is available with 60 fps. And here guys, in settings let me show you some software information. And here guys, in software information you will get latest security patch in this device, and these are some options, you can check it out. And guys, I hope you like this video and you have subscribed to the channel. So guys, I will meet with a new video, and you can also check other videos on my channel, and I will give you some links in the description, you can also check those videos. So guys, bye bye for now.